Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today showing you how to restore, reset, basically take your Windows Defender firewall settings, just get them back to brand new. Whether you have malware, whether you made a lot of changes over time, it's pretty easy to do. Depending on whether you're on Windows 7 or 8 or 10, slight differences. So I'm just going to bounce around and show you what you can do. So in Windows 10, you can hit the Windows security icon right here. Go to your firewall network protection. Scroll down and find Restore Firewalls to default. You click on that, a window will pop up. You have to click on it again, and then one more final warning, and click Yes. Once you've done that, you're all set. Windows 7 users can go to Start, Control Panel. Make sure your category view, if you have it, is large or small icons. That way you can see everything. If you're in the category view, you'd have to dig around a little bit more. It just simplifies the steps for you. Find Windows Firewall. Restore defaults. Restore defaults, and just like on Windows 10, you have to click Yes to complete it. There you have it. So Windows 7 and 8, you should be able to go right to Start. Control Panel, I don't remember when settings started. Regardless, you can do one there. Now, in Windows 10, you can actually hit the classic Control Panel if you didn't know by starting to type Control Panel in search. Oh, come on. Windows, what'd I do? I'm moving everything around. There it goes. I lost my train of thought. That's not a good sign. And you can see you can do it the same way that you do it on Windows 7. So it's up to you. You can do whatever makes you comfortable. Now, let's say neither one is working for you. Then perhaps we need to do the command prompt or PowerShell. You can actually use either one. So Windows 7, once you click Start, you could type in CMD. And you can do this on Windows 10. Right-click and run as administrator. On Windows 10, you could do almost the exact same thing. I think it comes up with a shortcut immediately, though. CMD. Yeah, right here. Run as administrator. So type in the stuff you see here. You may need the page for PowerShell that we're running in the background here. And just because the command prompt is actually pretty simple to type in, let's do that. You're going to see OK once it's done. There you go, right there. Now, the big difference between Windows 7 and Windows 10 is Windows 10 is a little bit more PowerShell, but again, it's up to you. You see we have the command prompt open, so I can do it there in Windows 10. Now, PowerShell is a slightly longer line, but it's not that difficult. Highlight this, check the video description for this page so you can get this code. It's a little tougher to type in than the other one. It is for me. Windows key plus X. Windows PowerShell is admin. And we're going to copy and paste again. Control V. Enter. Now there's the difference between the two. It doesn't say OK or everything's fine or we reset everything for you. There's no fanfare here. As you can see, you got OK and you have nothing here, just a blank line. So don't look for anything special. And that's pretty much it. One of these technically 4 ways will get the job done for you to restore or reset your default Windows Defender firewall settings. Hopefully we helped you out. If we did, click subscribe with a little icon down here, the Major Geeks logo. Click like if we helped you. Leave a comment. We read everything. Thanks for watching, as always. See ya.